Hey y'all, welcome back to Rollin' Pin Recipes. Today, my family's craving a little bit of a cold salad, but not a typical salad, y'all. We're gonna pour in about 29 ounces of canned corn, the big can. We don't have any fresh at the moment, and my family wants this at the moment. I'm going to put some spices, sour cream, and mayo in here. We're going to do 1 cup of sour cream. Just gonna mix it in this measuring cup here. 1 cup might be all I have. Let's see. Actually, we have a little left, so that's good. It's about 1 cup. We'll save this little bit. This cover came off all terrible when I opened it, and I like to keep it on there so it stays good longer. We need a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayo. This is the only mayo I have in this squeezing bottle. I know, fancy. It was also on sale a while ago. And we were getting it to go boating. Just gonna get all that air out. That's about half a cup. I'm gonna add a little more. And then what's on the spoon will also be accounted for. We're going to add, this is a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I don't know what's so good about that. We're just gonna add a little splash. I don't think we really need that. I don't have lime, so I'm gonna put some lemon, a lime's juice. So we're going to add 1 cap. We might need more, y'all, but we don't want to overdo it just yet. I will link the recipe down below if y'all want to check it out, or at least the recipe I'm following. I'm just gonna add these couple seasonings, a tablespoon of chili powder, which is 3 teaspoons. Couple simple ingredients combined in different ways can get you some really tasty food. It is getting hot, y'all. Spring has sprung, and we're getting toasty, y'all. So I need to get my pasta salad game and salad game going. Teaspoon of cumin, hefty teaspoon, y'all. Around here, I love cumin. We're gonna do a tablespoon of garlic. Keep opening the wrong side. Tablespoon, that means 3, y'all. We're going to do salt and pepper. That might be half a teaspoon, I don't know. It's a lot of pasta, a lot of corn. These are radiators, radiatori or something. They're so good. I cooked them perfectly. They're so delicious, y'all. Soft, textured. Here's the dressing. Gonna mix it up. Ooh, that chili powder, delicious. This is gonna taste better as it sits in the fridge because it'll be cooled, and also all these flavors will combine beautifully. It looks like a Taco Bell quesadilla sauce that has like the peppers juice in there, jalapeno slice juice, brine. I don't know, smells like it needs a little something. They want you to add stuff to the corn pasta. It's a little confusing. I've got a tablespoon of garlic for the dressing and a tablespoon of garlic elsewhere. So I either messed it up, something's happening here. So we're gonna add a couple more shakes of garlic, couple more shakes of onion. And they also want onion and parsley or cilantro in it. We don't have that, but we kind of don't want it either. My husband loves the little street corn cups. This is a street corn pasta salad, if I forgot to mention that. Now, this bowl looks quite small because that's full. I'm also wondering if I should take some of this corn out. We're just gonna add it, y'all. I cooked these radiators perfect. All right, y'all. All right, here it is. We're going to dress it. Should I have tasted this first? Probably. Okay. Might need a little bit more spices. Can definitely taste most of that in there. Probably needs more salt, pepper. Could use a little more onion, garlic. Then I also might need a bigger bowl and more pasta, which we do have. I might have to do another dish and get another bowl, y'all. Got the pot right here and it's already dirty. Let's put it in here, y'all. Oh yeah. I drained the corn and I microwaved it for just a minute. Wasn't really necessary. We're deviating from the recipe a little bit, per usual, but it's the main bit of it. This is much better. This corn to pasta actually looks pretty good. I'm wondering if I need more corn. Okay, that's good. Definitely need a ton more salt. You know what? I shouldn't have done that, but that's okay. I forgot the almost most important part, the cheese. I only have this cheese, so we're gonna use it. I'm gonna crumble this whole thing in here. Partial block. They want a cup of it, which is about 8 ounces, so that's what we're gonna do. Roughly. This is also salty, so that's why I would be easy on the salt at first. Beautiful, y'all. Delicious. Yeah, it is quite hot here today, y'all. We're feeling the heat, so this actually sounds delicious. We've been really busy as well, so we appreciate y'all for joining us as we cook in our kitchen and make a bunch of delicious food for our family. Whether it has to be a quick, really cheap meal, y'all, we can always make it work. It doesn't look much different, but it'll probably taste a ton different. Okay, that tastes really good. I still think it's kind of fajita-y, like a creamy fajita sauce or something. We're gonna add a ton more salt, pepper. I think we need a little more lemon. This one's really hard for me to open for some reason. About 3/4 of a cap. All right, I'm gonna sprinkle in a little more garlic as well. And a little more onion. Oh, it's okay. And I think we're good on the chili, but I'm gonna add a little bit more cumin. Now hopefully this will help it. And this pasta will soak up some of this dressing if it's too much. Okay, I'm smelling all those flavors. Okay, I feel like I got all cheese in that bite. Definitely good, different. I think I'm gonna go get a taste test and see what we need to do. Those last couple of things taste really good. A ton of lime in this would be incredible. I just don't have lime. We might add more lemon because it does taste good. We'll see. All right, y'all, we actually quite enjoy it. I'm gonna add a little more lemon. About another 3/4. That cap might be a teaspoon. I'm not sure. Also, we're gonna add the rest of these noodles. Kind of tastes like a taco, pasta taco. Mix this up. And we added all that pasta. We might need to add a little bit more salt, but it's really good so far. And the dressing gets all in those crevices. Cracks and crevices. So good. Couple simple ingredients formed in a different way, y'all. I'll link the recipe down below, but my husband did get some inspiration online and he's like, let's try this. So we're gonna try it. Oh yeah, you get a little punch from that lemon now. I'm gonna add more salt. He loves a lot more salt. Well, you gotta have salt for it to taste good, y'all, and usually prefers a little bit more salt than me. We don't like to overdo it though. It's getting hot, so this is gonna be perfect chilled on a hot day. Serve it with a sandwich, a burger, a taco. That's good, y'all. Might even could use a little more lemon, but sometimes stuff like this can be seasoned a little uneven, which is not a big deal. All right, y'all. See if we can fit it back in this bowl. Oh yeah, y'all. Alright, y'all, there we have it. Couple dishes, no big deal. Get all this goodness out because as this sits, it will soak up that dressing and flavor. And I love the radiator noodles in this. Amazing. The creamy cheese with that fresh corn. So good, y'all. Give this recipe a try if you think it sounds good. Let us know what you think, and we hope you guys have a great spring. We appreciate y'all for joining. Like this video, comment what you think, and subscribe down below. Check out our other videos because we have a lot of recipes on our channel. We love to cook at home. We love to recreate. We love eating and spending time with our people, those we love. Bon appetit, y'all. See you soon.